Bullish Theta organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.05 and $7.65 by 2030. Market examiners accept Theta could reach $3.15 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 71 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local cryptographic money is additionally called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: standard hubs and asset-rich Watchman hubs. Normal hubs procure compensations for sharing their assets, while Watchman hubs acquire considerably bigger prizes for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital elements of the Theta network is its utilization of edge storing. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client as opposed to at an incorporated area. This lessens inactivity and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web clog by circulating traffic among different ways at the same time. How Theta functions. The main thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization fueled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transmission and processing assets on a P2P premise. All in all, Theta is intended to be a more productive and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are essentially PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can lessen inertness and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet deals with an agreement system that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage furnishes top-notch streams with low idleness, and clients can acquire compensations for giving transfer speed assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. Theta organization is presently worth 89 cents USD. Theta has moved 5.22% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,616,189. Theta organization is at present positioned 51 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $899,682,368 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Theta organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Theta organization value forecast 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Theta cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.35. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.26 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.08. Theta organization value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Theta organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.25. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Theta's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.80 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.98. Theta organization value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.15 and Theta might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.88 and a low of $2.70 in 2025. Theta organization value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Theta organization effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $4.05, with a base cost of $3.60 and a typical cost of $3.78. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.68 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.50 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a greatest value worth of $4.95. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.58. On the off chance that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $5.85. Neglecting to assemble the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.40. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $6.30 and a yearly cost close above $6.75 in 2029. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $7.20 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $7.65, averaging out at $7.38. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Theta cost in 2031 is projected to be $8.82 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $8.46. And the ongoing Theta Organization cost depends on an investigation of different variables, including specialized pointers and late market patterns. In view of our gauges, we accept that the Theta Organization coin cost will keep on ascending soon and arrive at new all-time highs. What is the Theta Organization cost today? Today, Theta Organization is exchanging at 89 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $899,682,368. Is Theta Organization a wise venture? Theta Organization ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that Theta is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Theta at any point organize go? The typical cost of Theta Organization might conceivably reach $1.26 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Theta Organization might outperform $5.85. What amount will Theta Organization be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prevalence of cryptographic money and Theta Organization, a drawn-out interest in Theta could see the value ascend